Hello, my name is Ifan Emmanuel Juku, and this will be I'll be explaining my project and my scenario. So first, your query and all the results. So first of all, I already backed up on my database already. So these are my database. I backed them up. So these are the dates, 15th, 14th of May. And when I backed it, that was yesterday night. Um, The second one is the method you use to back up the database. So this is the method I use to back up the database here. So just for quick, let me say for example, I go to tags, you go to backup, and all you do is click here, and it's going to back up. I don't want to click it since I already backed it up, and I already showed you the history. I already showed you this one. Um, but the next one, the process you use to number two, yes. So this one, the process you used to copy the database as a test version and development version. Okay. Uh, so for the text version, all I had to do was is it copy or backup to restore? Let me see what the question is again. Oh yeah, so to restore so this is all I did, yeah. So you just have to click restore and click on device, click here, then you add. So that's the backup. I just add it, and I don't want to add it again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you change the name to whatever you want, and that's all. Then for the cloud, I did the same, but firstly I had to go through the Docker command, SSH, and I copied it to Docker. This was the code home into the home folder of the cloud, and yeah, it was copied. So so then I just did the same thing here. Look at my database here. This was the first sample here. So this is the bowling database. That was it there. I copied it already with the same process. I just went to the home folder and um, like you said, the name should be the bowling developments. So I did that. This is done. Then your BCB export files created in this step B and bow. Okay, so I should show my BCB export files. Sorry for the noise. My BCB export files are here. So this is for the scores table. Everything is in here. And this is for the bowlers table. Everything is in here too. Um, so in my terminal, I will show you the code from my terminal. So the first thing first I did was the BCB bowling test, then the schema, then the bowling score. So this was how I exported it to um, the text. This was how I exported it in here. This was the code here, and you can see 1344 rows were copied into this test document which I opened. And same thing I did with the second one too. Yeah, but Coda Bowlers 32 rows were copied. So the next thing I did was to delete the two rows in the table. I delete the two table, which I did. I delete from video scores the SQL command, and it deleted the whole rows. Same with the other one, delete um, folders, and it deleted all the rows, 32 rows. So then just for confirmation, I selected it to show that the rows are empty after the deletion. So Also, this one shows that the rows two are empty. So now, what I did to revert it to re-export it or import it back was this code. All I changed was the in, this in from the same code I used before. And when I also did it, it started copying again, and this got copied again. Same thing I did for the second one. Maybe so. I don't. Those errors didn't really affect it because it's copied again and it's worked again. And I made sure I deleted bowler score first because of the foreign key. Then I went back to select it to see if it worked. And yeah, look at it, showed the 1354 counts, and yeah, it showed 32 counts. So yeah, um, successful import message from stable. Yes, I've showed that already. Yeah. Okay, what else? Nothing else, I guess. Thank you very much for this. It was a wonderful class.